Hey guys. So this is the second day at the Web Summit. Actually, Web Summit days is the third day, so it's 3rd of November. So this day, what went down was I was looking for like talking with investors, trying to build my network and trying to interact with a lot of different people. And I was able to talk with like 10 investors, not only this day, but for the full length of the Web Summit, 10 to 15 investors with a lot of no's in the process, but it is what it is. And it was a really nice, really nice experience. Also, this day specifically, I went to the Q&A with Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano, and I was able to ask him a question. You will see on the video. And yeah, that was it for today, and I hope you guys like the rest of the video. And yeah, see ya.
Very shortly. I think.
The lady at the front, and there's someone behind there as well.
Thank you. Hi, everyone. My question to Charles is, it's from a development perspective, and I want to know more about, like, what's your opinion on Rust? Is it going to change the market? And if it is, are you in the train, or what are your thoughts on Rust?
It's a great language. Mozilla, I think, created it. They built it as a web native language, but it's as fast as C. We use Rust extensively at I.O. for cryptographic engineering, so most of our crypto protocols that we write, whether they be zero-knowledge snarks or our VRF implementation or these types of things, we use Rust. It's very easy to use formal methods with Rust. It's statically typed. You know, there's a lot of good stuff there in the Rust ecosystem. And what's nice about Rust is portability. That was one of the things that always frustrated me with Haskell. And, you know, I brought the whole Haskell community together. We were co-founder of the Haskell Foundation. And we contributed to a lot of projects like GHC.js to port Haskell to run in JavaScript and to have Haskell run in the browser via WebAssembly. That was called the Asterius project that was done by Twig out of France. But yet still, years of work and effort, Rust is still ahead in terms of portability to functional languages like Haskell. So I think they're very complementary. Haskell is really good for distributed systems engineering, where you want to be able to test a distributed system, apply formal methods like property-based testing and do simulations, and get as much non-determinism as you can out of that system. So this is a bedrock of like Erlang and what they do with OTP or these other things. Whereas Rust is very good for writing secure, high-performance, very portable infrastructure code, like an operating system, a verified kernel, crypto code, and so forth. And they kind of work together. The other language we've been looking at extensively, well, we have a long legacy of Scala, and Scala 3 is phenomenal. I love it. I wish it was out 10 years ago. Life would be different. But we also do a lot of work with TypeScript as well. And it turns out they're all very complementary to each other, TypeScript, Rust, and Haskell, and they work beautifully as an ecosystem.
And they're also there at the front. There was one. Thank you very much.
I just want to add one thing. Do you think, should I learn Rust, or what should I learn?
Well, if you want to be a blockchain developer, that's where the industry is going. Polkadot's written in Rust. A lot of smart contracts are being written in Rust. And there's that and Go are the two languages. I think Algorand is written in Go, and Fabric, I believe, is written in Go. So those are nice. Functional programming languages, it's nice to learn Haskell as a skill because functional is a paradigm. And even if you're in Java, you have a functional paradigm, you know, and just applying that to your code helps you get determinism, reproducibility, conciseness, and easier time dealing with state management.
Thanks very much.
Hi,
Jump
Charles.
over to the back.
This is an update from the Web Summit. So it's a wrap for today. Talked a lot with a lot of investors. Had some really good feedback, and let's hope that we can get some really good news in the times to come. So thank you. Bye. Jesus.